Hey guys, we out here at this is, boy, it's a great property. great neighborhood, great property. So I'm about to do a quick little walkthrough, show you guys the house inside out, on what we're working with, and how we can transform this house. It's pretty much right up our alley here. So let's do this. Outside the house here, wouldn't do too much. Gotta get an inspection. I wanna make sure the roof is okay. Definitely gotta clean the gutters out, so there's no cracks along this house. The fascia looks real good. Me personally, I try to put most of the love inside the house, but depending on how we structure this thing, how much dollars we want to put into it, man, I think we can get this thing done easily. So it looks good on the outside here. You might hear those guys doing the yard back there, but overall, look at the facial. Facial looks real good. Nice little bay window there. And so how you doing, buddy? So we going in here, and we're gonna walk inside the house, and I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna steal an extra bedroom here. So as we come in the door here, got the foyer here. Again, we got some wallpaper here. You know, definitely gonna have to go over that with there. I suggest that Mr. Davis there, and I suggest that right here in this door here, definitely closing this off here, and building up a new closet here, and probably turn this into the fourth bedroom, and that would definitely add to the value there. And to put another door over there on that side. But as we go through here, we see the kitchen, nice, beautiful cabinets here. We got some nice countertops. Definitely can change the countertops out and probably go backsplash here against here. But the cabinets look great, beautiful. Also, the house coming with some stainless steel appliances as well. That's an A+. That definitely saves a couple of dollars there. Again, change the countertops out, maybe go quartz, anything, granite, whatever, and paint, change them lights out, put some can lights up here. Definitely go do more painting here on this side here as well. And back here in the back here, we got the washroom here. We got the wash and dry hook up here. Again, more cleanup, just more paint. Definitely scrape the popcorn ceilings there. Chain hardware, paint doors. And we got this drop off way here. You go to the back of the house where you can use this as a little dining area if you want to, or you use it as a game room. There's little like many things that you can do back here, but mainly like scrape the popcorn ceiling, change the ceiling fans and things of that nature. This can be a little storage office space here. You can pretty much do a lot. You got some bookshelves here. You know, it's a lot you can do here. Basically get it all cleaned up and paint. Come here, you got a little workshop area inside here. You know, that's something new, that's something different. A little workshop area, but come in here, get it all cleaned up, and people can use it for whatever they're gonna use it for. So this leads to the outside, to the pool area here. Let's see, can we get out of here? So you walk out here to the pool area here, and that's some nice, beautiful pool there. I mean, nice little spot to be, a nice little spot to hang out. You got a little storage building here. Looks like this stuff here is looking good and rolling. It looks like some of the piping just been done here lately. So let's pray that the pool and everything is all good to go. So again, nice area out here. So we go over here, a little bit seeing there. Over here, it looks like where they parked a one-car garage here. Actually, this garage here actually works. I mean, it actually does work. You can hit the button here. So it comes up, goes down like expected. Looks like they turned this carport into a garage. So that's pretty neat there. That's pretty neat. So let's go back in on the inside the house. So walk in. Let's see, can I go in here? Yep, nope, that's locked here. Let's go this way here. Go over here on this side over here. Obviously, it was outside at one point years ago, but they closed it in. I mean, this is top notch, guys. This is top notch. Easy flip, easy flip. They changed the cosmetic stuff and paint, and you know, just keep it simple, man. Just keep this thing real simple. So now we go into the living area here. Living area, we got some carpet here, probably that need to be replaced. Ceiling, maybe more paint, change some ceiling fans out here. We got a nice little entertainment center there, probably do a little painting. Fireplace section looks pretty awesome as well. Like I said, just need a little bit of updates here and there. Nothing too crazy. So we go back here where the bedroom's at. Remember, we can steal another bedroom here, close that off. That could be the fourth one. Take a look at our unit here. Unit looks real good and clean. Obviously, we definitely get an inspection, but you know it looks good and clean. We got a bathroom here to the right. Here, more wallpaper. You know, just more painting on the cabinet. Changing out the hardware, changing out the countertops here. Still, like I said, looks good. The bathroom here, more painting. Keep it simple. Change the heat vent out. Come in here, keep the tub, and just tile. That is it. And they got a door here. I think the reason why they got this door here, because they got a pool area, so it was easy for people to come through here if they're wet, instead of tracking water throughout the house. So, okay. All right, so we go to bedroom number 1 here. The bedrooms were basic. It's pretty basic here, guys. Nothing too crazy. Just change the ceiling fans out, change the floors out, and paint. The bedrooms are just what they are, just very basic. Bedroom 2, the same as here. Very basic. Easy. And we go into the master here. Again, change the carpet out. And wow, man, this is too easy. Change the vanities out. I mean, change the countertops out. Keep the vanity, paint. Keep that mirror. Change the lights out. Man, just paint this closet here. Things look real good here. The his and hers closet. Nice little section here. And in the bathroom here, we'll do that shower exactly the way we done it at Blackjack. Same way, same format. Tile it all the way to the ceiling, change the headers and stuff like that. But basic, that is it, guys. That is easy coming. Okay, guys, you can come over here to the website, click on Invest with Poppa at the top of the page. This is where you will find my complete portfolio on all things real estate, from flipping houses, buying a home, sub-2, lease option, multifamily, whatever the case may be. Find it here. Come to the bottom of the page. You have a few options. If you want to view those properties that's been sold, click on View List of Flip Sold. Then you'll be able to get a full view of the property sold. And also, if you want to contact me, you can call or text this number here, and let's work together. Let's do deals.